Of course, I forgot to say, you'll want to leave a comment on this video so that you are entered into the free giveaways for this live stream on Saturday. Now let's get into the video. What is up, YouTube? This is Rick G. I am back with another video, and today it is to remind you that we are having a live stream on Saturday at noon to give away a full Mercury Dime book. Now, what dimes that are in the book right now are the dimes that they fit in those spaces. Unfortunately, we did not get these 16 dimes, but this is going to be a great start for anybody's collection. And these 16 dimes right here, random dates, they will be put in all of the missing spots. That way this book is completely full. We had a bunch of great people that donated to this giveaway to build this thing up, and just phenomenal. Thank you guys so much for taking part in this. Now, because there were so many entries, we have to do extra giveaways as well. So instead of one main prize, there's going to be 3 others. We have 20 Mercuries here. We have a combination of 10 Mercuries and 5 Roosevelts, or 10 Roosevelts and 5 Mercuries. Anyway, 15 dimes there. And then we have 10 right here. All of these are Mercuries up to here. We have a Barber, and then we have a 64. These dimes over here are for 4 free giveaways, and that will be given away during the stream as well. These are the numbers. I will be using tickets, and I'll show them very shortly. So if you see your name, write your numbers down. That way you have them, and you can be asking for those to come out every time a winner is drawn. These are the numbers right here. Of course, I got my trusty jar right here. These are the numbers, and we're going to eliminate some as we're going through the stream. As I usually do, I'll eliminate some just to kind of show everybody that their number's in there, but then I'll pull one eventually and it'll say 316, and then we'll come down to 316. Where is 316? This doesn't count. This is not the winner, and it would be Jorge Luna. This is not the winner. This is just a practice try, just so everybody knows. But yeah, we'll just grab a few out. We'll eliminate some, show the elimination numbers, and then eventually pull a winner. So here's a 339. So where would 339 be? And 339 would be all the way down here, and it would be silver nitrate. So that would have been a winner right there. This will all be done during the stream. I really look forward to having everybody there. Remember, noon Central Time on Saturday. So, until next time, good luck to you. I hope you profit on all your searches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And until next time, good luck.